All right, if your workload keeps growing and staying productive feels harder every day, yeah, you're not alone. Between emails, planning, research, content creation, and repetitive tasks, it's easy to feel overwhelmed. In this full guide, I'll show you how to improve productivity using ChatGPT in 2026, step by step. First, understand where ChatGPT can actually save you time. It's useful for brainstorming, summarizing information, organizing ideas, writing content, planning schedules, automating repetitive tasks, and simplifying research. Now open ChatGPT on your browser or mobile app and sign in to your account. The quality of your results depends heavily on your prompts. Be specific about what you want, your goal, the format, and the type of response you need. ChatGPT can help organize your day more efficiently. You can create task lists, schedules, productivity plans, and time blocking systems. One of the biggest productivity advantages is automation. ChatGPT can help draft emails, create summaries, generate captions, organize notes, and handle repetitive writing tasks. Instead of reading massive amounts of text manually, ChatGPT can summarize articles, documents, meeting notes, and research quickly. The goal of AI productivity isn't to remove human thinking, it's to free up time for more important and creative work. And yeah, that's how you improve productivity using ChatGPT in 2026. Once you build smarter workflows and better prompts, saving time and staying organized becomes much easier.